Says fonts. Choosing the right font for your website is important. Why that? So font selection is important. With choosing the right font has a huge impact on how the readers experience a website. So the right font can create a strong identity for your brand. Choosing a font that is easy to read is important. The font adds value to your text, so it is also important to choose the correct color and the text size for the font. So we have the generic font families. In CSS, there are like 5 generic font families that I'm going to show you here. So we have the first one will be the sans serif here, and this font has a clean line, no small strokes attached. They create a modern and minimalistic look. And we have also the serif here, and this one, this font has a small stroke at the edge of each letter. They create a sense of formality. And we have also cursive here. Fonts imitate human handwriting like the human. And we have the monospace. These fonts here, all the letters have the same fixed width. They create the mechanism look. And also we have the fantasy here. It's like a decorative letters here. So let's make our font family here with the font family property should hold several font names as the fallback system. Let's make our text here in our paragraph with the ID text. Let's style it here with, for example, family monospace, save it, and here we go. And also you can select like multiple fonts here. So if the browser doesn't support the first one, you will go to apply the second one. So if the browser doesn't have the monospace here, you will choose directly the second one. There we go. And also to see it better, we have like the font size. Font size, let's make it like 30 pixel here. Here we go. And let's make also our title here with font size of 30 pixel. Save this. And here let's make our text, 25. There we go. For the text, let's make it 40. And also we have another option to choose a font here from the Google Fonts. So please check this website, Google Fonts. And here you can search for a font that you would like. Like in our case, we want this best tab, for example. And let's get the font. Here we go. Let's embed this code. Let's bring the link, copy it from here and paste it in our index head element here. Save it and use it with the element that you want here, like the font family. Here's what is the name of it. Let's check again. Here we go. Save it and check our code. Here we go. Now it's applied the font here. It's a bit ugly, but let's bring it back to monospace. Here it's better. Here we go. So this is all about the fonts, and we have like a font style property, and this one to make it like italic or something like font style italic. So you will see it a bit change it. And also we have the font width. The font width here, we can make it like a bold or something like that. And this is all about the fonts. Next, let's learn about